We can clearly see that you're not losing weight.
Whoa. What does it mean when you see black wiggly lines in front of your eye? And this one. Is this the swollen eye? No, this one is. I'm not getting Timo teeth. What the fuck is wrong with me? This song is called Love and Lulu Ice Cream by Foodie Beauty.
There was this duck. I watched these farmers, and they have these ducks and geese and chickens. So she was giving the duck, she went up to the duck, and the duck knew they were guilty because they were going, eh, eh. Anyway, the duck stole chicken eggs and was laying on them. It was the cutest thing ever. So she had to try to grab the duck, get the eggs away. They steal each other's eggs. So she has to go under the duck, find the ones that are not hers, you know? Or sometimes she'll bring like fertilized eggs to one of her chickens to sit on. It's so cute to see the chicken get all excited and go and put the eggs under her whatever. Show what the chicken does. It gets all excited like and then it will, like, she'll go, here you go, and she'll grab the egg and she'll go she puts the egg with her beak under her body. It's so cute. It's the cutest thing I ever seen. They are moms. They are. Makes me feel bad for eating chicken. Maybe I will go vegan.
Okay, but my teeth are not like. My teeth are still, you know, they're not moldy. You know, like, they're like green and black. His teeth. My teeth are like, you know, mashallah, because I'm not saying that to make fun of him, but it's like, seriously, I got fur growing in your teeth. They're fuzzy if I don't brush them after eating a little bit. You have good teeth. Some people's you can't even see. Yeah, that's true. Those are weird, man. I brush mine 3 times a day. Oh. No, I do it once. Sometimes twice, depends. I know you don't believe me, but that's not my problem. You should brush twice a day. Yeah. Like, I don't know. I have a thing of gum by the bed. I do that at night instead of brushing. I have a thing of gum by the bed. I do that at night instead of brushing. Disgusting. Oh, that sounds delicious, purple bed. I had a gap, it's true. How come? Sometimes there's a gap, sometimes no. Did my teeth shift maybe or something? No, I couldn't let them get full of thick plaque. That would freak me out. I never had braces, no. I mean, my teeth are uneven shapes. So they're not perfect, but... Oh yeah, I'm missing 2 teeth here. They were baby teeth. Oh man, there's nothing worse than a frickin' toothache. The pain, I remember, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep at all. The pain would wake me up constantly. And it's because the nerves were... I can't remember. The teeth were not supposed to be in my head that long. And this poor little one here, it's more yellow than the others, I know. It's gotta go. Eventually it's gonna probably fall out. And I'll have to get... Can I get a tooth implant? How much is a tooth implant? I'm not getting Timo teeth. The nerves were dying, yeah. Thousands. Shit. Maybe I'll just be a toothless wonder. I don't care.